The principle of the ultrasonic sensor is similar to sonar or radar, in which interpretation of echoes from radio or sound waves to evaluate the attributes of a target by generating the high-frequency sound waves, around 40 kHz. The transducer used for converting energy into ultrasound or sound waves with ranges above human hearing range is called an ultrasonic transducer. The distance measurement at inaccessible areas is a typical application of ultrasonic sensors. The circuit consists of an ultrasonic module, LCD display, and microcontroller. The ultrasonic module is interfaced with the microcontroller, and this ultrasonic transducer consists of a transmitter and receiver. The waves transmitted by the transducer are received back again after the waves are reflected back from the object. The velocity of sound is considered for calculating the time taken for sending and receiving waves. The distance is calculated by executing a program on the microcontroller, and then it is displayed on the LCD display. There are many sensors such as humidity sensor, gas sensor, pressure sensor, water sensor, leaf sensor, rain sensor, tilt sensor, a rate sensor, and so on, which are being used in many applications.